Six of us, your knowledge differs to the sky.
Later.
Wait! Why do you rap a song like that?
We've done units of time, but you know there are more units than this, right? There are. Yeah. I think you need to be introduced to them. So, wait, what kind of units are these? Are
Hit
these
it,
like...
guys.
"78 units of length that we are going to name. We will go one by one, order of length, how on length we will say. We'll name all of our lengths and our symbols. This song will be long and full. Your knowledge is 100, but when this song's done, your knowledge will be 101.
Before we get to the song, we must define with our most strength exactly what is a unit of length. A unit of length is a distance we use to define how long a distance is. This is true. I am a plank length. You've met my friend, the plank time. You might see him again. I am 100 quintillionth the length of a roton, as I've shown. My symbol's the script letter L and P. I call this my home. I'm a octometer, see, I hope that you do know me. My symbol, yeah, it is who I am. I am 1 times 10 to the negative 24th in meters. I'm glad I could talk, the next part is here. I am a zeptometer, as I confirm. 2 of me are the upper bound for the width of a conic string. I hope you learned, of course that is in string theory. ZM is my symbol. I'm glad I could speak. I am an atometer, this is a fact. My symbol is AM like the morning, I tell you that. One of me is the sensitivity of the LIGO detector for gravitational waves, as I tell you for sure. Hey there buddy, I'm a femtometer, my diameter is the diameter of a neutron. My symbol's FM for what it's worth. 3 of me is the approximate range limit of the nuclear binding force mediated by missions, for what it's worth.
I am an X unit or a Sig bomb. My symbol's XU, now let's move on. I am 1.0021 times 10 to the minus 30 meters. I'm delivering this line that did appear.
I am a Bohr radius, not to be a Bohr. I'm the distance between the nucleus and the electron on a hydrogen atom. Here's more. I am 5.29 times 10 to the negative 11 meters. My symbol's A with the subscript 0. I'm glad I could be your teacher. I am an angstrom, I will tell you this is a fact. I'm a 10 billionth of a meter, how about that? My symbol is A with an O-ring. I got a part where I could sing. I'm a nanometer, I am a billionth of a meter. I tell you this, my symbol is an MUC. Thanks for learning about me.
I'm a micrometer, I'm a millionth of a meter. 17 to 181 of me's the diameter of human hair. 1 to 2 of me's the length of any coli cell, you know. My symbol's the micro symbol M, and now I better go.
I am a TWIP, this is your knowledge tip. I am 1/1440th of an inch, this is it. I'm abbreviating 20th of a point, and I do not have a symbol, not to disappoint. I am 1,000th of an inch, or a mil, or a thou. I'm 1,000th of an inch, that's a fact you're learning now. The thickness of paper is what I am used to specify. Thanks for learning about me, now it's time to go bye-bye. I am a point, I am 0.3515 millimeters, give my length a try. I am using the American point system. I'm glad I could contribute to this rhythm. I am a point used in TEX, a computer typesetting system. Isn't that the best? It was invented by Donald Knuth. I'm 172.27 inches, that's true. I am a point used in PostScript, you see. It was made by Adobe or Adobe. I'm 1/72nd of an inch, that is a fact. I'm glad I could speak all of that. I'm a point indeed, oh I am European. After 1878, this is my length I'm saying. It is 5/133 of a centimeter. I add a part, don't leave it on the heater. I am a Mickey, I am not that mouse. Okay, maybe I should start over. I am a Mickey, as you can see. A 200th of an inch is what I be. I am only used pretty rarely. There is no symbol attached to me. I am a French gauge from the Chartier system. I'm used in measuring catheters, there is more to come. I am a third of a millimeter, that's true. And my symbol is F, you knew. Hey there, I'm a line, I hope you're feeling fine. I am a 1/12 of an inch, yeah, that is right. I'm not recognized by the English Parliament. My symbol's LN, I tell you this. I am a soot, as you can plainly tell. Whoever named me will rot.
Dude, don't say that!
Ugh, fine.
Whoever named me, I bet they're swell. I don't have a symbol attached. I'm an 1/8 of an inch, I tell you that is a fact. I'm a barleycorn, a symbol is what I lack. I'm a 1/3 of an inch, I'm glad we can chat. I'm used for shoe sizes, not to be a pain. My length is based on a barley grain. Hi there, I'm a finger, I don't know who named me either. I'm not an inch yet, and I don't have a symbol either. I am 7/8 of an inch. You're not dreaming, no need to pinch. I'm the famous inch, I think you might know my name. I'm a 1/12 of a foot, that's a fact that I claim. I have 2.54 centimeters, hear that again. And I have a symbol, it is IN. I am a stick, this is in your brain. 2 inches in me, no symbol's what I claim. I'm getting tired of whoever keeps naming us stupid things like stick, barleycorn. What's next, Bajingly? Let's move on. I am a nail, my facts are not stale. I am 2 1/4 of an inch I entail. I don't have a lot of facts to tell you, so bye bye, maybe I'll see you again soon. I am a palm, as you can plainly see. I come from the human hand and I'm obsolete. When it comes to my inch count, it is 3. I'm hoping that you find this song catchy. I am a hand, isn't this so grand? 4 inches long, listen to the band. I'm another unit of measurement that comes from your hand. My symbolization needs help with me, look at this diagram. I am a finger, but I'm used in cloth. 4.5 inches, I hope that you're not lost. I'm an 1/8 of a yard, that's a fact. And I have no legal status at that. I am a span, I have 9 inches. When it comes to you, you're a knowledge whiz. 0.2286 meters here, that's my length as it does appear. I am a foot, but I'm using Benoit. 0.3048 meters, not to break any laws. My symbol is FT and been used in parentheses. I'm glad I could sing, and now I will cease. I am a foot, but I am DK type. 1.033 English V, yeah, that's right. That definition was made in 1859. I'm 0.314858 meters, that's right. I am a foot, but I am used in Clark's. 0.047972654 meters is a work of art. I am used in Geodesy. I'm glad that I was here. Peace. I am a foot, but I am Indian. 0.304799514 meters, that's in. Not a lot of information is behind me, so I guess I'll go bye-bye. You see, I am a foot in metric, I'm the leader. I am 0.3 meters, also 300 millimeters. I am glad that I could be here. I am a foot, metric in French customary measurements. Yeah, that's what metric usually is meant. I am a third of a meter, that's true. Thanks for allowing me to talk to you. I'm an international foot, you see. 12 inches is what I be. That is 0.3048 meters. I am glad I could be here. Hi there, I'm a foot. I'm used in Sears. My symbol's FT and in parentheses, here it's here. I was used by the British crew in 1922. I am 0.3047994 meters, it's true. I am a foot in the US survey. My length is a fraction that I'm about to say. 1200 over 3937. This song isn't done if you think you've reached heaven. I am a cubit, I'm the distance from the fingers to the elbow. That's 18 inches, just so you know. I came from the Latin, cubitum, as I show means elbow. I'm glad I could show. I am a pace and I am in my place. Here's some info about me, my part will not go to waste. I am 2.5 feet or 0.760 meters. From my part, I hope nobody was deterred. I am a yard and I am 3 feet. In the imperial system, me is who you will meet. I am also 0.9144 meters. I am done, 36 inches too, for sure. I am a meter in the metric system. I am here and I...
Huh? You forgot about us. Oh, should I go ahead and include you guys? Yes. Okay, I'll give you some parts when I finish mine. Anyway.
I am a meter in the metric system. I am here and I like this rhythm. In 1/300 millionth of a second you can see that is the length light travels, yeah it's me.
We are the meters that did not get our own part, so let's begin. Yeah, let's start.
I'm a quectometer, as you can see. I'm 10 to the negative 30. I'm a rontometer, 10 to the minus 27. Doesn't this song sound like heaven? I'm a picometer, the third smallest one forgotten. I'm 10 to the minus 12 meters, that's in.
I'm a millimeter, I'm 1,000th of a meter. You can call me a mill. Not when I'm here. Hey there, I am a centimeter, 100th of a meter. I'm a decimeter, as you can see. I'm a 10th of a meter, yeah that's me. I'm a decameter, but I'm not the same as what you just met. I am 10 meters, I attest. I'm a hectometer, I am 100 meters. You win, I'm the hider, and you're the seeker. I'm a kilometer for large distances and metric, you see. 1,000 meters, yeah that's what I mean. I'm a megameter, I am 1 million meters. I am here, cause I'm your teacher. Hey there, I'm a gigameter, I am 1 billion meters. I am the speaker. I'm a terameter, I am rarely used, except for calculating planetary distance to the star, yeah that is true. I'm a pentameter, I am 10 to the 15th, that's a quadrillion meters on my scene. I'm an hexameter, I am a quintillion meters, that's a long distance to appear.
meter.
Hey X, are you a competition? Yeah, I'm a centimeter in this mission. In my length by agreed decision. They say in meters I'm 1/6
Hi there, I'm a yada meter. Can't you see? 1 septillion meters is the range of me. I am a chronometer. I am 1 octillion meters. I'm a quetometer. I'm glad that I could speak. I am 1 onillion meters, as you can see.
I am an L, as you can plainly tell.
No, stop. I don't take L.
Just start
fine.
I am an L, as you can plainly tell.
45 inches, I'm so swell.
Other units with my exact name can equal 4 feet.
I am glad I had a pardon. I did not accept defeat.
I am a rod, I am
16 feet and a half, as you can see.
You can also call me a pole or a perch.
I am glad my part was not lurched. I am a rope, as you can plainly see. I am equal to 20 feet. I am also 6.096 meters. I was here.
I'm the next unit of length, I am a chain. I hope I am not worthy of disdain. I'm 66 feet or 22 yards. I am here to speak my part.
I am a cable length in international use. I am 185.2 meters, it's true. I am also a tenth of an NMI. What is that? Listen, and the answer is what you will find.
Hey there, I am an imperial cable length, 608 feet. Yeah, that's my strength. I am 185.3184 meters here. I did appear.
I'm a furlong, as you can plainly see. I am 660 feet. Of course that is 201.168 meters, it's true. I am here just to discuss this with you.
I am a cable length, I'm used in the US, 720 feet. Isn't that the best?
That's 219.456 meters. I am here. I am a mile international IB. That's 5,280 feet. If you think I'm lonely, don't worry, cause on file there are a bunch of other types of miles. I'm a US survey mile, this is a fact. 580 US survey feet, how about that? I am 1,609.347219 meters. I bet I'm in heaven. I am a tactical data mile. I'm pretty sure I haven't seen you in a while. I'm exactly 6,000 feet, as you see here, 1,828 meters with glee.
I'm a geographical mile, as you can see. There were 6,082 feet inside of me. I am also 1,853.7936 meters. I'm here, and I couldn't be better. Hey there, I'm a mile used in telegraphs.
6,087 feet, that's not what I lack. We've gone nearly an octave higher due to so many key changes, so maybe we should dial it back.
No!
I'm a nautical mile international. I am 1,852 meters, and that's not all. My symbol is NMI. I think it's time to say bye. I'm a nautical mile in Admiralty. I'm 6,080 feet. My symbol's NM and in my an ADM. I'm done singing to this beat and it stems. I'm a nautical mile in the US before the year of 1954. I'm 1,853.248 meters. I'm glad that I could be here. I'm a league, I'm
4,828 meters. I am a 1 hour walk as it does appear. I can range from 1.4 to 4.9 miles. I'm here in the songs file. I am a mill in Sweden and Norway, not the one that you just met, just so you know, okay. I am 10,000 meters, that's also 10 kilometers. I'm a light tech and I hope you know I am nearly 300 million meters. The full number will be shown. 299792458 meters. I'm the distance light travels in 1 second in a vacuum, I assure. I'm a light minute as you can see. I'm 60 light seconds, yeah that's me. The full number's so long I can't say it at once, but here's a number on the top, it's so fun. I'm an astronomical unit as you can see. The distance from the earth to the sun averages to around me. I'm around 499 light seconds, and I'm used for calculating astronomical distances. I'm a light hour, this song is a blast. I'm shocked that key change 14 we have surpassed. I'm 60 light minutes, or 36,000 light seconds. That's a fact, one I hope you could reckon. I am a spat, why did they call me that? Whatever, let's just start over. I am a spat, I don't know why I'm called that. I'm a billion kilometers or a trillion meters, how about that? I think I'm long, but just so you know, it's time to move on to the final row. I'm a light day, what do I have to say? Except I'm 24 light hours, this is a fact I say. Voyager 1 launched in 1977, and in around a year it will reach my length from .2 trillion miles. You may think I'm long, although I'm only portrayed by a tile. I'm a kiloparsec, and this is a fact. I am 1,000 parsecs, I tell you that. 8 kiloparsecs away is the center of the Milky Way. Didn't you know that's a fact I claim? I'm a megaparsec as it appears. 0.78 of me is the distance from the Andromeda galaxy. You can see, just so you know, I'm 1 million parsecs. Now it's my time to go. I'm a gigaparsec, just so you know. The particle horizon is 14 gigaparsecs, so Ross, don't you know? That's the boundary of the observable universe. I am done with my verse.
I'm a galaxy scale, yeah, I'm here, sure. I'm 10 to the 20 meters. That's 100 septillion in the short scale. I taught you this without fail.
I'm a cluster scale, just so you care. I'm 10 to the 23 meters to 22, that's fair. I'm the scale of most clusters. I hope that you do feel flustered.
I'm a super cluster scale, don't you know that's true? I'm 10 to the 24 or 10 to the 25 meters, it's true. I hope that you are enjoying my part in this song. We're almost done with the unit, so sing along.
I'm the cosmic horizon, just so you know. I'm the Mac distance light has had time to reach us since the universe started, I show. I am 4.4 times 10 to the 26 meters. Now I'm done here.
I'm the observable universe, don't you know me? I'm the length of the entire observable universe, you see. I am 880 yada meters, or 28.5 gigaparsecs, or 93 galactic light years.
I'm a multiverse scale, we're almost done. I'm 10 to the 30 or 10 to the 40 depending on model of inflation. There's no measurable or defined distance for me. Because of this, I'm not recognized by any scientific body. Get ready. I'm a hypothetical mega universe. I'm very complex. Here's what I'll say in this verse. Every multiverse contains all possible universes. A mega universe is a higher level with multiple multiverses. I'm not officially recognized by most science, but I'm occasionally mentioned in philosophy or theoretical fiction. I'm the largest unit of length we're going to learn until more come out, but maybe that will happen in another turn.
You'd think. Who is this? It's about time that you learn that. I'm a megaverse, I am 10 to the 33. I'm the base length of the mega universe, the one you just did meet. I'm glad I was here, and that I could sing. Now it's time to move on to the next thing. I'm a gigaverse, I am here, you see, mostly used imaginatively. I am used in gaming universes too. I am 1 on decillion meters true. I'm a teraverse, I do not like to curse. I contain thousands of different types of the gigaverse. I'm so large that different gigaverses inside me might have different cosmic laws, 1 to a decillion meters. You see, I am a hyperverse as I am here, a multi-dimensional playground as it appears, where the usual rules of space and time don't apply. I am 1 trillion meters just to clarify. I'm an outerverse, in sci-fi I am found. I'm considered outside all known dimensions, isn't that profound? Think of me like the space around all space, completely mind-bending, watch toward decillion in your brain. I'm the metaverse, not to be confused with the digital one. I can describe simulated, imaginative, or potential universes. How fun. Basically everything that could exist at all. I'm 1 quintillion meters now, let's not stall. I'm an omniverse, as you can see it is. I'm everything that exists, existed, or could exist. Some universes and we have different math, how fun. I'm 1 sextillion meters, that's 10 to the 51. I'm a xenoverse, listen to my verse. I am the unknown layer for what it's worth. I'm the ultimate beyond in many philosophies. I'm 1 sub 10 decillion meters, or 10 to the 54 piece. I'm the absolute infinity I be. I am literally infinity. No beginning, no end. All possibilities and universes I contain. I'm the ultimate, most powerful unit of length. Maybe they go bigger than this, but how are we supposed to know? After all, numbers are infinite, just like me. Let's sing the chorus 4 times then.
78 units of length that we already just named. We were 1 by 1 order by length, how unlikely to say. We named all of our lengths, centers and poles. This song was quite long and full. Your knowledge is 100, but now this one's done. Your knowledge is now 101. 78 units of length that we already just named. We were 1 by 1 order by length, how unlikely to say. We named all of our lengths, centers and poles. This song was quite long and full. Your knowledge is 100, but now this one's done. Your knowledge is now 101. 78 units of length that we already just named. We were 1 by 1 order by length, how unlikely to say. We named all of our lengths, centers and poles. This song was quite long and full. Your knowledge is 100, but now this one's done. Your knowledge is now 101. 78 units of length that we already just named. We were 1 by 1 order by length, how unlikely to say. We named all of our lengths, centers and poles. This song was quite long and full. Your knowledge is 100, but now this one's done. Your knowledge is now 101.
Thanks for watching KOTRR. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And if you enjoyed this video specifically, why don't you watch it again? If you have the time. Thanks for watching KLTRR. Hopefully I'll see you next time. Bye!
They left me out. They called me too short to be even worth adding. Wait a minute. I could just make them add me. I'm gonna march right to them and tell them, you're gonna add me whether you like it or not. Wait a minute. What are those?